What to do when selling your home. For a successful transaction, selling your first home requires avoiding common pitfalls. Key strategies include conducting a pre-listing inspection to uncover and address issues early, setting a realistic price based on market research, making necessary repairs and improvements, utilizing effective marketing with professional photos and online platforms, preparing for showings by decluttering and staging, maintaining emotional objectivity, choosing a knowledgeable real estate agent, understanding market trends, ensuring all legal and financial details are handled correctly. Proactive preparation and professional advice can enhance your selling experience.